This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and the lock I have for you today is the Master Model 911. Now, I'm bringing you this lock because I received a few comments recently from relative beginner pickers indicating that they were having some trouble with this lock and asking for my advice on opening them. And I will do that. We will pick this open, but first a comment on the form of this lock. It's a 50mm laminated steel padlock underneath all of this plastic, and it has a removable core, always something I like to see. But the real item of note here is this 8mm boron alloy shackle. Now I have quite a few 50mm laminated steel padlocks. I'm actually getting them together. That will be my next comparison picking series. And every single one of them has between a 9 and 11mm shackle. I don't have any other 50mm laminated padlock with such a small shackle. No idea why Master decided to go with the 8mm on this, especially on one of their, I won't say nicer locks, but nicer for Master lock. No idea why they would do that. But we're not focusing on that. We are focusing on picking. Using top of the keyway tension with a 40 thousandths pry bar and a standard hook in 18 thousandths. 1's loose, 2's loose, 3's loose, 4's loose, 5 is definitely binding, and we went into a false set. Okay, counter rotation on 1. I think we got him set. Definitely a spool. Same on 2. Same on 3. Okay, I think we got him set. And same on 4. Okay, so 4 spools, 1 standard. If you're not familiar with picking spools, this lock will definitely give you some trouble, but there's no reason you can't open this up with a little bit of practice. Okay, let's take this guy apart and confirm that it is in fact all spools in there. Okay, let's get the clip off the back of this lock. Uh-oh, lost our clip. Okay, right away, I see that this is a 6 pin core with only 5 chambers pinned up. It's always a disappointment to see, but something I'm definitely used to by now. Okay, the key pins, all standard. Let me get these arranged, and then I will take the driver pins out. Okay, I'm expecting 1 through 4 to be spools. Okay, 1 is a spool. Same on 2, 3, 4, and then this should be our standard. And it's lightly serrated. Okay. So, not bad pinning. Really nothing that should be tripping you up too badly if you're familiar with picking spools. But if you're not, just put the practice in and you'll be opening these up in no time. To recap, we have all standard key pins, then the drivers in slots 1 through 4 are spools, and we have a lightly serrated pin in chamber 5. That's it for the Master Model 911. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a nice day.